Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I bring you tutorial on how to make 6 pieces blouse. 6 pieces blouse. A 6 pieces bustier blouse is an advanced sewing technique that combines multiple panels to create a fitted, flattering and tailored top. This style is especially popular in fashion because it allows for a form-fitting, sleek look, often worn for both casual and formal occasions. 6 pieces blouse is created from 6 individual panels that are sewn together. These panels provide shaping and structure, allowing the garment to hug the body beautifully. These pieces are often arranged in a way that enhances the bust area, providing support and creating a smooth, elegant look. This design helps to create a flattering look. For this design, you'll be needing your desired fabric, lining, tape, scissors, tailor's chalk, zip. Draft a full-scale bodice. Input bust dart. Contour the under bust. Connect the dart to the armhole. Tighten the armhole by 0.5 inch. Extend the armhole by 0.5 and relabel new armhole. Extend the dart to the hem as shown here. Close the bust dart and cut out waist dart as seen here. It should look like this when you cut through the armhole. Place each panel on a fresh paper and extend by 3 or based on your preference on both sides. Do so for the back as well. The final look will be like this. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Please support me by subscribing to this channel, like as well as share my videos. Thank you.